Kevin, do you speak English in pieces or in complete conversations?
Um, Pieces? Like phrases and words? Why do you ask?
Because many learners memorize phrases separately. They know, how are you, and I'm fine, but they cannot connect them into a real conversation. It feels broken and unnatural.
Oh, I understand. That is frustrating. You know the words, but you cannot have a smooth conversation. It makes you feel stuck.
Exactly. But today, we have something special. We will show you how to practice full conversations from beginning to end. No more broken pieces.
That sounds amazing. Stay with us until the end to learn how to speak in complete, natural conversations.
Yes, this will change how you practice English. Let's get into it. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where speaking English feels natural. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kevin. Hi, everyone. Sarah, you look so cheerful today. What's making you smile so much?
Oh, Kevin, I have to tell you about my morning. I was making breakfast and I did something so silly.
What happened? Tell me.
Okay, so I was making scrambled eggs. I cracked the eggs into the pan, but then my phone rang and I got distracted. When I came back, I poured orange juice into the pan instead of milk. Haha.
What? Orange juice in your eggs? That's hilarious.
I know. I stood there staring at the pan thinking, what did I just do? The eggs smelled like oranges. Haha. I had to throw them away and start again.
Oh no. Did you eat breakfast late?
Yes, and I was talking to myself the whole time. Sarah, focus, pay attention. And that made me think about something important.
What did you think about?
Well, making eggs is like having a conversation. You need to follow steps from start to finish. You can't just crack eggs and walk away, just like you can't just say hello and then freeze.
Oh, so conversations need a complete flow, like cooking needs complete steps.
Exactly. And that's what we're doing today. We're practicing full situational conversations from beginning to end.
This is so important. I sometimes know what to say at the start, but then I get lost in the middle.
So many people have this problem, but today we're going to fix it. We'll practice complete conversations for common situations.
I love this. But before we start practicing, we have a small favor to ask our wonderful listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying Master English Channel and learning with us, please hit that subscribe button.
And click the like button too. It really helps us keep making these helpful episodes for you.
And if you know someone who struggles with English conversations, share this episode with them. We're all learning together.
Thank you so much for your support. We appreciate each and every one of you.
Now, let's start with something everyone faces. Kevin, imagine you walk into a coffee shop. What happens?
Someone asks what I want to order?
Exactly. But it's not just ordering, it's a complete conversation. Let me be the barista. You're the customer. You just walked in. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Corner. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a large cappuccino, please.
Great choice. Would you like that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. Would you like anything else? A pastry or a muffin, maybe?
No, thank you. Just the cappuccino is fine.
Sounds good. That'll be $4.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Your cappuccino will be ready in just a minute. You can have a seat over there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. See, that's a complete conversation, from greeting to goodbye with everything in between.
Wow. It wasn't just I want coffee. There was greeting, small talk, questions, answers, and thank you.
Exactly. Real conversations have flow and connection. That's what makes them natural.
Can we practice another situation? What about at the doctor's office?
Perfect. Doctor visits are so important. Let's practice. I'm the receptionist. You just walked into the clinic.
Okay, let's do it.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Johnson at 3 o'clock.
Perfect. Can I have your name and date of birth, please?
Kevin Smith. My birthday is June 15th, 1995.
Thank you, Kevin. And is your address still 123 Main Street?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Have you been feeling okay since your last visit, or are you here for a specific concern today?
I've had a sore throat for 3 days. It's not getting better.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Dr. Johnson will definitely take a look. Please have a seat in the waiting area. She'll call you in about 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Excellent, Kevin. You did the whole check-in conversation perfectly.
I did, and it felt natural because we went through all the steps.
Yes, every situation has steps. When you practice the whole conversation, you learn the pattern and rhythm.
What about something harder, like returning something to a store?
That's not hard when you know the flow. Let's practice. You bought a shirt last week, but it doesn't fit. I'm the store clerk. Come to my counter.
Okay, here I go.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I bought this shirt here last week, but it's too small. I'd like to return it, please.
No problem. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. I can give you a refund or you can exchange it for a different size. Which would you prefer?
Can I exchange it for a large, please?
Of course. Let me check if we have this same shirt in large. One moment. Yes, we have it. Here you go.
Thank you. Can I try it on to make sure it fits?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are right over there. Take your time.
Great, thank you.
How does it fit?
Perfect. This size is much better.
Wonderful. Let me process this exchange for you. Here's your new receipt. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Amazing! You just handled a return perfectly. That's a situation many people find stressful.
It wasn't stressful at all because I knew what to say at each step. This is so helpful.
That's the power of practicing complete conversations. Your brain learns the natural flow.
Can we do one more? Maybe at a hotel?
Absolutely. Hotels are great practice. Let's do a check-in. I'm the front desk staff. You just arrived.
Perfect. I'm ready.
Good evening and welcome to Sunset Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, I do. The reservation is under Kevin Smith.
Excellent. I found it. You're booked for 2 nights in a king room with a city view. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Wonderful. I'll need to see an ID and a credit card for incidentals, please.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Okay, you're all checked in. You're in room 512 on the 5th floor. The elevators are just past the lobby on your right. Breakfast is served from 6:30 to 10 a.m. in our restaurant on the ground floor.
Great. Is there Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, the network name and password are on a card on your desk. If you have any trouble connecting, just call the front desk and we'll help you.
Perfect. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m., but if you need a late checkout, let us know and we'll try to arrange it for you.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Here are your room keys. If you need anything during your stay, we're here 24 hours. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Smith.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Perfect. Kevin, you just checked into a hotel like a pro.
I can't believe how easy that was. I practiced 4 complete conversations today.
You did. Coffee shop, doctor's office, store return, and hotel check-in. 4 full conversations from start to finish.
And now I understand the flow for each situation. I know what questions to expect and how to respond.
Exactly. That's the secret. When you practice complete conversations, you learn the natural pattern. Then real situations feel familiar.
Everyone listening, practice these conversations out loud. Don't just read them, say the words.
Yes, you can practice alone. Say both parts. Play the customer and the worker. It really helps.
And record yourself. Listen to how you sound. It helps you improve.
Now, we really want to hear from you, our amazing listeners.
Yes, we have an important question for everyone.
In the comments below, tell us which situation do you want to practice most? Coffee shop, doctor, shopping, hotel, or something else?
Write something like, I want to practice ordering at restaurants, or I need help with bank conversations, or phone calls are hard for me.
We read every single comment, and we might make a special episode about the situation you need. This is great writing practice, too.
And if this episode helped you understand how to practice conversations, please hit that like button and share it.
Yes, share this with friends who are learning English. Help them learn, too.
I think our listeners now know how to practice like conversation experts.
Absolutely. Remember, everyone, don't practice single phrases. Practice complete conversations from hello to goodbye.
Think of a situation you face often. Then practice the whole conversation, all the steps from beginning to end.
And don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to practice the flow and feel comfortable with the pattern.
Start with one situation this week. Practice it 5 times. You'll be amazed at your confidence.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We hope you feel ready to practice your own situational conversations.
You have everything you need. Pick a situation and start practicing today.
Yes, don't wait. Start now. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Keep practicing and keep speaking. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Happy practicing.